One of the main jobs of the Legislative Assembly is to consider and review bills or proposed laws, like this one. The majority of bills originate in the Legislative Assembly. This is because most bills deal with the spending of money. As such, they are usually proposed by a minister or parliamentary secretary in the Legislative Assembly. Only the lower house, the Legislative Assembly, can control the raising and spending of money. Members will debate and consider in detail the bill, which, if passed, will go to the Legislative Council for its consideration.
Madam Speaker, I move that the bill be now read a second time. Today I'm honoured to deliver my government's fifth budget, the first of our second term and my first as Treasurer of our great state. This budget sets up Western Australia for the future.
It's important to remember that a bill, except a money bill, can also be introduced a first time in the Legislative Council, and if passed, will be sent here to the lower house for consideration and debate, and finally voted on by the members of this House. Both houses need to agree to a bill in the same form before it can go to the Governor for royal assent. The bill then becomes an Act of Parliament.